Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel kettle corn, full guide. Start by making popcorn in a heavy pot using 1/2 cup kernels and 2 tablespoons oil, then keep it warm. Prepare caramel in a saucepan with sugar, butter, corn syrup, and a pinch of salt until it reaches a deep amber. Pour evenly over popcorn and quickly toss to coat before cooling on a sheet. In this video, I will show how to make caramel kettle corn, full guide. Gather 1/2 cup popcorn kernels, 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup light corn syrup, 6 tablespoons butter, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Set a large rimmed baking sheet nearby and preheat your oven to keep popcorn crisp. Measure ingredients first to move quick. In this video, I will show how to make caramel kettle corn, full guide. Heat sugar, corn syrup, and butter over medium, stirring until dissolved and amber in color, then remove and stir in baking soda and vanilla immediately. Pour the foamy caramel over popcorn and fold gently but quickly to coat. Spread on a baking sheet and bake at low heat, stirring occasionally until glossy and crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.